হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, হাউ আর ইউ? আশা করি সবাই আমরা ভালো আছি। ওকে, টুডে ইজ ক্লাস জেনারেল নলেজ অ্যান্ড সোশ্যাল স্টাডি। নাও we'll see lesson 7, Bangladesh divisions, districts and upojelas. Now we'll see a map. There are 8 divisions in this map. Now let's see where the areas are. This is Rangpur. This is Rangpur Jilla, and this is Mymensingh. This is Rajshahi. This is Sylhet. This is Dhaka. We belong to Dhaka. This is Khulna, and this is Borishal. This is Chittagong. Now, see next. Divisions of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is divided into 8 divisions. These are Dhaka, Mymensingh, Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, Borishal, Sylhet and Rangpur. Already we have seen it map. Now, next, Dhaka divisions. We'll see Dhaka division now. Dhaka division is divided into 13 districts and 89 upojelas. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. It stands on the river Buriganga. The major rivers flowing through Dhaka division are the Padma, the Meghna, the Buriganga. Next, principal crops are jute, paddy, sugarcane, betel leaf, potato, and different kinds of pulses. Next, Mymensingh division. Mymensingh division is divided into 4 districts and 35 upojelas. The Bhawal and Madhupur Gar is in Mymensingh division. Trees like shal and gajari are found here. These trees are used for making furniture. Okay, fruits. Jackfruits, banana, guava and pineapples are growing abundantly here. Next, Chittagong division. Chittagong division is divided into 11 districts and 108 upojelas. Chittagong is the largest seaport of Bangladesh. It is also a trade center. The scenic beauty of Chittagong city is very charming. Cox's Bazar, the largest sea beach of the world and renowned tourist center, and it is a healthy place. Okay, next, the biggest paper mill Asia, Karnafuli paper mills is at Chandraguna of Chittagong division. Shal, Shegun, Rubber, Gummer and some others valuable trees grow in this division. There are several islands in this division like Sandip, Moiskali, Kutubdia and Saint Martin. Many rivers are flowing through this division. Okay, next, Rajshahi division. Rajshahi division is divided into 8 districts and 68 upazilas. This Padma and the Meghna rivers are flowing through this division. The major crops are paddy, jute, sugarcane and potato. The mangoes, lychees of Rajshahi division are very famous and tasty. The silk cloths of Rajshahi are very good. There are sugar and pepper mill also here. Okay, now Khulna division. Khulna division is divided into 10 districts and 66 upazilas. It is situated in the southern part of our country. Mongla is the second seaport of our country. Sundarban, the national forest of our country, is the main attraction of this division. Our national beast, Royal Bengal tiger, lives in this forest. And we get some raw materials from this forest are wood, honey, wax, paper and pencil. Okay, see next. Rangpur division. Rangpur division is divided into 8 districts and 58 upazilas. The major crops are jute, paddy, sugarcane, potato and oilseeds. The river Tista, Atra and are flowing through this division. Now, Borishal division. We'll see Borishal division and its renowned things. Borishal division is divided into 6 districts and 42 upazilas. Soil of this division is very fertile, so plenty of paddy grows here. This division is famous for balam rice, coconut, betel nuts and betel leaves and others. Hilsa fish of Borishal is very tasty. Now, Sylhet. Do you know from where we get tea? Yes, we get tea from Sylhet. Sylhet division is divided into 4 districts and 39 upazilas. Sylhet is renowned for tea gardens. This division is rich in natural resources such as natural gas, limestone, glass sand, fuel well. Sylhet also renowned as a holy place. Pineapple and orange are grown abundantly here. So, okay, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Each district is run by a dash. Do you know? Yes, Deputy Commissioner. Next, each upazila Parishad has a chairman and a vice chairman and also a woman chairman. Dhaka division is divided into dash districts 13. Dhaka stands on the river Buriganga. Chittagong districts divided into 11 districts. Okay, next. Question answer. What are the divisions of Bangladesh? Already we have seen. in map, and also we learn. Now we'll see again. Bangladesh is divided into 8 divisions. These are Dhaka, Mymensingh, Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, Barishal, Sylhet and Rangpur. You have to memorize it. Okay, next. How many districts are there in Bangladesh? Can you tell? Yes, 64 districts. What are the main 2 seaports of Bangladesh? Can you tell me? Of course, you were able to tell. These are Chittagong seaports and Mongla seaports. What is Sylhet division renowned for? So, already we had learned for tea gardens. For tea gardens, Sylhet division is renowned. Now, friends, you have to do some homework. This question answer you have to write on your notebook and fill in the blanks also. And you have to go through this chapter, lesson 7, you have to read fully. Then you can answer the question and you know more then. So, if you do not read the main text, you cannot understand properly. So, you must read your book, then you will follow the sheet or whatever I have given you. So, friends, don't forget to write your homework and practice it. Okay? I hope you are enjoying at home with parents, friends, not friends, with your family members, and be safe and listen to your parents. Whatever they say, you have to follow that. Okay? Okay, see you next class. Enjoy your study. Hope see you soon. Thank you. Take